Hello and welcome to the channel. This video is all about how to remove password from a PDF file. Okay, if your PDF file is password protected and you know the password, okay, so if you don't want to be prompted every time you open the file to add your password, in this video I will show you what to do to remove the password. So let's go straight to the point. Here is my PDF file that is password protected. I will go ahead and open it. That will open in a browser, as you can see. Okay, it requires my password to access the file. So what I will do is to go for my password. Okay, here we go. So if you want to remove the password, what you have to do is to go for Ctrl P on your keyboard, the Ctrl key and letter P. Okay, so on your keyboard, go for the Ctrl key and letter P. Okay, that will take you to this interface. So what you have to do here is under printer, you should go to this drop down menu, click on that drop down menu and then go for, it works with save as PDF. You can go for Microsoft print to PDF. Okay, but if this doesn't work for you, this will definitely work for you. So it works save as PDF. Okay, then make sure that you selected all the pages. Okay, all should be selected, and after that go for save. I gave it that name, removed password. Then I will select where I want this to be saved. So I'm going to go for desktop and then go for save. Look up here, this is saved. So let's go open it. I will close this. This is the one we removed the password, and this is the one with the password. Let me open the one with the password. This requires a password. Let me close it. Then the one we removed the password, let's go for that. I will open it. As you can see, it didn't prompt me to add my password. So this is how to remove password from your PDF file. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Please, we need a like. If this video is of good help, please kindly give us a like. It is enough.